Welcome, Gurdwara Gursagar Sahib, near Sukhna Lake, Chandigarh. Your brother, your friend, we are Yoga Tigers, solar-powered humans. So here we go. Strive for the best, Shakespeare. I was doing my headstand after months together. You know, karma's boomerang. This reminds me of Bali, Indonesia. You see my videos on my YouTube. This is Mahayogi Vinodanand. No exaggeration. Go to my YouTube. I was practicing arms together headstand. That is done to go in samadhi. To maintain your celibacy even while being with the, you can call them apsaras. The beauty of the world, of celestial world, to remain celibate. This is it. Now, Devra Baba lineage, I take you to the point. So, what you have to do is, you have to follow a particular science. When you are talking of Ashtanga Yoga, not haphazardly fabricating things, and well, it's good for livelihood. But now yoga, I prostrate in the lotus feet of Devraha Baba and all the Naga Babas of the Himalayan ranges, India, Mera Bharat Mahan. So here we go again. Welcome to Gurdwara Gursagar Sahib, those who want to experience Samadhi. And I welcome you to fly with me to Bali to join Dark Retreat. But of course, this message is for the selected few. Otherwise, beyond dualism, Paravidya, there is nothing like two. It's all God. He's personifying in different 84 lakh species and enjoying all the gunas. Tamogun, Rajogun, and Sattvic, Satogun. So it's He, God, enjoying. So right now, I know I'm giving this message to the Lord, to the Almighty. And He wants to perfect me through all these videos. So now here the message again. It's Gurdwara Gursagar Sahib, near Sukhna Lake. Anything under the sun. Right from Shat Karmas, Neti, Dhoti, Basti, Tratak, Kunjar. And then Samadhi, ultimately liberation. So here the message is. First of all, I would like to name Biba Charan Kamal ji and Baba Pritpal Singh ji, those who have created this. Wonderful divine place full of energies. The moment you enter the premises, you feel charged. So here the message. Every asanas are not merely jumping like monkeys. First, go sick, then you on light treadmill doing asanas, and then again falling, getting victim to the senses. So first we have to follow the disciplines. Asana means to sit in one particular posture. Well, of course, this King Asana is the toughest one. This is known as King Asana, and every asana to sit for 33 hours, 48 minutes without moving. Your limbs, not even eyes blinking. You could be in Shambhavi or eyes half shut. So this is asana. So again, I welcome you here. And we'll prepare you for the Dark Retreat, solar-powered humans. Right now, go on the YouTube. What Noli is exactly? Noli is not merely rotating the stomach. It's the, union of Chandra, Surya, Moon and Sun. This is a very deep science. Now, I invite you on YouTube, Wake Rinpoche. W-A-K, Wake, R-I-N-P-O-C-H-E, Wake Rinpoche. He is American yogi, Hatha yogi and Buddhist monk. Brett Carr. I'm proud to say his name. The world power. The very powerful yogi and monk, Buddhist monk. I'm still learning even after practicing, mastering Vajrali, Khechari, Noli, whatnot, experienced Samadhi in 1973 with the grace of my master, Sri Yudhishthir Prasad Tripathi, Jabalpur, Narmade Har, Baglamukhi Shakti Peeth. So, Samadhi can be induced in you within seconds if you're in the lap of a real master. So it's all God everywhere. Even a quack, even those who are doing all these things, rituals, everything is okay. But this is for the selected few. Khechari. Arms Together Headstand. Join me. See my video Arms Together Headstand on my YouTube and on Vek Rinpoche. In dark retreat, cave sadhana. Again, Devraha Baba, strive for the best. Oh, my Indian friends, yoga friends, वीरान भोगस्य वसुंधरा, वीर इस वसुंधरा को भोगते हैं. And until unless you have enjoyed, we have come in this human garb, oh, for some purpose, to enjoy this whole world to its extremes. Otherwise, you will be reborn. Depending upon the gunas, of course, what you call desires are the cause of your miseries. But when you have come in this garb, early as possible in youth, earn plenty of money, be like a tiger in the jungle, and enjoy the world to its extremes. And if you are not a hypocrite, if you are not really a hypocrite, there cannot be any other enjoyment other than union of male-female union in this world for procreation. And Vajrali is the Kriya. Khechri is the Kriya. Without, losing your energy, Simon, you can, Samadhi, Narpade Har. So join us, strive for the best. Your brother, 65 plus. And here we with me, Arms Together Headstand. Noli Kriya, Vek Rinpoche, we will induce Vek Rinpoche. Automatic Khechri, you talk of Khechri. Vek Rinpoche in the dark retreat, automatic Khechri without chopping off your lingual frenulum. Behind your worldwide goes to the cave. It's for the Khechri practitioners, those who are teaching and learning. So join us. No disparities. Yoga, no boundaries. Sky is the limit. Again, I repeat, time and again, I repeat. Viran Bhogasya Basundhara. Enjoy this world. Strive for yoga. That is the top. Samandar mein machli pakdo. If you are fond of fishing, don't fish in the sky. In the name of yoga, go in the ocean, shark. So it was my message. Join me at Gursagar Gurdwara Sahib, Arms Together Headstand. What exactly yoga is. And sing bano, like the sacrifice, bravery. Guru Gobind Singh ji, Tan Guru Nanaka, Teri Vadai, Naam na jane mera koi Vaheguru. Bali ma puch gaye Singh sade, Sardar Surinder Singh ji, 85. Come, we'll fly together. Punnu, Vasu, Yoga Barn, the top yogis. I salute all my yoga tigers. Khechri Igor from Russia. Then Amin. Then your Dubai, Vishal. Number of yoga tigers. Strive for the best. Go in for Khechri, Vajrali. Go ageless like Devraha Baba. Now remember, if you want to experience Samadhi, your semen, your thought process, and your prana, they are the three beats on the same string. You are mistaken if you are saying simply sitting like this, closing eyes, or it's rubbish. You are not being led anywhere. You want to get rid of depression, anxiety? Join us, Gurdwara Gursagar Sahib. The moment you enter, you get rid of your anxiety, depression, and a new vista, 180 degree out of phase. Be with us. So here is Kartar Yoga, Kartar Old Age Home. Try to be ageless. Again, how to leave your body at your own will. Devraha Baba taking your pranas to the Brahmand. And follow the science. Like Newton's law if you want to be a student of physics. If you are a bullock cart driver, don't immediately try to sit in the space shuttle. You'll spoil the whole mission and the others too. First be a yogi, then go in for samadhi. This is the message from KV Yogi Vinodanand, especially for the young generation. I love my Muslim friends. Harlan, who helped me in Bali when my Pico friend, he was dying, my doggy commando. He helped me. Amin. And many, India, we are a country of yoga is inherited in us, in every Indian. Welcome to India also. And we are with you at Bali, Indonesia, Panu in Yoga Parn, Surinder Singh ji and Vek Rinpoche who give me the exposure of the Western world. Okay, Tiger, I'll be joining you soon, don't worry. Jai Mahakal, Jai Mahakal.